Hey, good day everyone. I first want to invite everyone to click that join button to become a member and get access to exclusive detailed tutorial videos, all for under $1 a month. I really appreciate it as it supports this channel. Well, here I got all the parts on this dog kennel laid out. There's the small parts that's going to hold all the poles and all the accessories together. But got it all laid out by part number here. Now I'm just starting with the base, putting the poles in there according to the directions. Just piecing it together, and they all snap together really nicely. The directions are pretty clear on this too. There was a couple things that if you become a member and join, I cover a few different things in this video on the member side of things that might help you get this thing put together quite a bit quicker. Some tips and tricks. But here it is. I'm just going ahead and putting that chain link on the gate there. It's a nice little gate on this thing. And then putting the hinges on. I walk through step by step in the detailed member video on this. If you want to check that out, again, it provides a little bit more clarification on putting this together, and also a whole bunch of other videos on there as well. Just snapping these things together. This thing's all metal, galvanized. It's got that 2 latch system there, which is nice because if the dog happens to bump one or get one open, the gate won't open. It takes 2 latches, so the dog's not going to be able to open both latches, and they both lock into place, which is real nice. And it opens outward. And then here we're going to go ahead and start the chain link process on the main body of the kennel there. And here I'm just putting the clamps in first. That way I can attach them to that rod that I threaded down through the chain link there in the end of it. And then I just wrapped it around there. It's got a form-fitting tarp here, really easy to put on, just attached with bungees. And the chain link is getting attached on the upper side of things with zip ties, and there's some metal zip ties they give you too, so I just put those along the bottom. It comes with some green wire. I chose not to use the wire, but you can use that too for some extra reinforcement there. There's another look at the metal zip ties. Here's a look at the dog kennel. Really like this thing, really happy with it, easy to put together, and it's going to withstand the weather too. So I recommend this thing. The dog loves it too. Thanks for watching, everybody.